To start trading, you need to set up indicators on a platform. The chart type is a candles, time frame is 30 seconds. In the indicators, I click on a moving average twice and also turn on the zigzag line. In the first line of a moving average, I select period 4 and change the color to blue. In a second line of moving average, I select period 8 and change the color to dark blue. In a zigzag line, I change 3 parameters. It's a 6, 14, and 4. And I also change the color to white. Now that all the indicators are set up, I can start looking for suitable situations and open my trades. Friends, if you work on a mobile phone in the browser, you can easily repeat everything that I did. The entire trading setup is ideal for mobile. If you're first time here, in the description of this video, I will leave a link to this trading platform, and I also write a new promo code that gives free money to beginners. Yeah, you can use this money for real trading. So make an account using the link, use the promo code, trading practice. Let's get started. Now I choose a timer time of 2 minutes, the amount is $400, and I press the red button to open my first trade. It's my forecast that the chart will decrease. For work, I choose the random OTC currency pair because you can trade with this strategy anywhere, at any time. Like currencies, OTC currencies, stocks, maybe cryptocurrencies, it doesn't matter, friends. The most important thing is the correct analysis and work with the indicators. Here, I think that the chart will decrease because I see several suitable conditions for the strategy. In the first detail, it's a very stable and long-term growth of the currency chart. It's a good trend movement, and I see that a white zigzag line continuously moving higher and higher. Look at this. In 20 minutes, I don't see a single correction or a line break, and that's very, very good. The second detail is a very clear and very strong intersection of two moving average lines. The first blue line crosses the dark blue line and moves down. This happens quickly and very accurately. Look at this again. In short, my friends, right now, I see that the chart currency pair has really stopped it and some kind of correction is beginning. The red candles are falling lower and lower, and it all happens at the same moment. It's a good and very correct conditions for the strategy, so when I saw this moment, I opened my first trade down for 2 minutes on the timer. My goal is to catch this moment within 2 minutes and take my profit. Yeah, my friends, look at this. 2 minutes have almost passed it, and I see that the chart is moving lower and this trade turned out to be very safe. Really, now the time is over and I will make a profit. My friends, I will make a profit, everything looks very good, and I'm very glad that my trading session starts today with a profitable situation. It's a good example to start with, but there's still a lot of work ahead. I get $368 net profit. Yeah, my friends, look at my balance, that's good. In this situation, I will open a trade up because I see good conditions for the strategy. The timer time is 2 minutes again. I press the green button. Everything works exactly the same as in the previous example, but in an opposite direction. Yeah, my friends, candles have been steadily moving down for 10 minutes. I see that the zigzag line has been moving down for a long time without corrections. 2 moving average lines have crossed it right now, and it's the best time to open a trade and try to make money. I analyze everything step by step according to the strategy, according to this instruction. The most important thing is not to rush and not to try to open a trade when the lines have not crossed it yet. Or, for example, you see that a zigzag line looks bad, looks strange. It constantly breaks and changes direction. It's wrong. Your task is just look for stable and super understandable situations. Currency pairs where everything looks simple and logical, like this. What can I say, friends? It's a very high quality signal and very good trade, and out of $500 in profit. The most important thing is not to lose care and not to make mistakes. Let's move on. My dear friends, my dear subscribers, this example is very similar to the first trade in my session. Everything is very similar. Look at this. So I open a trade down for 2 minutes again. Yeah, I remind you, the time frame is 30 seconds. The time for the trade is at 2 minutes. This is the best combination of settings for this trading setup, for this strategy, for this indicators. If you want to test other combinations, maybe different time frame, different trade time, okay, that's your decision, but I don't know how it will work at a distance. Okay, my friends, it's very interesting. Here I lose my money, I lose my trade. Yeah, the correction has not occurred, and this is not a problem because it can happen sometimes. There can be fake situations in any strategy in trading, so I just keep working. I didn't make mistakes here. Yeah, I did everything right, so it's just a bad luck. I lost my trade. A super strong and fast movement of the green candle has started, and I just can't miss this moment. So I open my trade up for 2 minutes. Yeah, my friends, look at this pattern. It looks very strong. It looks very good. Let's wait for result, and I hope everything will be good. After 30 minutes of work, after 4 trades, with this super simple strategy, I have, my friends, a few more seconds, $2,000 on my balance. Friends, I don't want to take risks, so I'm taking a break. Yeah, I want to keep this profit. It's a very big money, it's a very good result, so now is the best time to take a break. My balance went from $700 to $2,000 in 30 minutes today. Of course, this does not always happen. Sometimes I can catch 2 or 3 or maybe 5 losing trades in a row, and this process will take much longer. However, today I was lucky. Yeah, my friends, $2,000